Hey guys, what's going on? It's time for our second proverb. Again, this one's from Japanese. This is another uplifting, positive one, and it goes like this. Yamanai, amewanai. Yamanai, ame, which means rain, wanai. Yamanai, amewanai. Yamanai, amewanai. And it means that there is no such thing as a rain that doesn't end. Again, this is just motivation. If you're going through something, you feel like you're in the rain, you're in the storm. All storms, all rains come to an end. Even the great storm that hit Noah came to an end. So no matter what you're going through, stay positive, keep your chin up, be patient and persevere, and it'll end. It will be over. And eventually the sun always comes out. There is always sunshine after the rain. And that's our proverb for today. I'm Sharif from Culture Toronto, and I will see you next time. Peace.